This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do very beautiful painting. To begin your artistic journey, select high-quality art supplies. Opt for professional-grade acrylics or oils and a variety of natural and synthetic brushes. Familiarize yourself with the color wheel, understanding how primary colors mix to create secondary and tertiary hues. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to practicing fundamental brushstrokes and smooth color blending. Next, focus on composition and lighting to elevate your artwork. Employ the rule of thirds, dividing your canvas into 9 equal sections to place focal points effectively. Introduce a clear light source in your reference to establish strong highlights and shadows, adding 3-dimensional depth. Spend 20 minutes observing how light falls on various objects, noting reflections and cast shadows. Now, let's enhance your painting with intricate details and rich textures. Apply paint in several thin layers, allowing each to dry partially to achieve luminous depth and smooth transitions. Experiment with palette knives, sponges, or stiff bristle brushes to introduce diverse textures, from rough stone to soft fabric. Dedicate 30 minutes to refining small elements, ensuring they contribute to the overall harmony. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches and a crucial self-critique. Regularly step back about 10 feet from your canvas to gain a fresh perspective and identify any imbalances. Make minor adjustments to color saturation or value to enhance visual impact. Once completely dry, apply a clear, non-yellowing varnish to protect your beautiful painting for many years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.